Okay, here we go. Hybrid for Super Deluxe. 10 spots. Top 3 get into the Super Deluxe break. The other guys go into the smaller break. It's Rebels and Daisy. See if I can even get it to focus in there. There you go. I forgot to roll the dice. We'll just open up another one and do this thing. Dice roller. I'm going to hit this 2 times. That's how many times will go on the list. 1 and 2. Alright, going 9 times. Top 3. Good luck, fellas. Hopefully. Let's see what happens. Good luck. What do we say? 9? Seven, 8, and 9. There it is. Daisy sweeping it. Congratulations.